So I got a call yesterday, and we're going to be sending one of our tractors out for some repairs. And in order to do that, we have to unhook the equipment from it, take the blade off of it, so it can be loaded on a semi and taken to the dealer. So this is just one of the things we do during the summer. So there's a lot of work actually that takes place other than just grooming. So just watch and you can see what we do here. I took 35 minutes of video here and condensed it down into, I think it's just a little over 5 minutes. So enjoy. I apologize for the way the video is jumping around. I have a chest mount that I intended to put my camera on, but I left a couple of the parts at home, so I ended up having to wear a helmet mount, and it appears that I did not have the camera tipped down far enough. So you get what you get. So anyway. That's where we're at, but I apologize. I'll try to do better next time. Okay, so here I'm putting a jack, that's that red object there, jack under the end of the blade where it attaches to the tractor to hold that up while we disconnect it.
Should be two of them.
What size is that?
11/16.
These blades lift, tilt, and angle, so there's lots of hoses on the front that have to be disconnected, so we disconnect them and then we plug all the hoses, plug them on the tractor and plug the hoses too. And then right now Keith is loosening up the lift cylinder.
Go ahead.
All right, you're ready to go. Okay, all done for now. Gee, I don't know if you can see the jet sitting over there. Thought I heard a big vacuum cleaner. There she is. I think this is a northern strike this week, so it may have something to do with the military. So, can you hear it running?